In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Marvel Rivals to your computer. So you're going to start by heading over to the website marvelrivals.com and then hit enter. Then this will take you over to the main website, and from here we can just click play now. Now you can download this from either NetEase Games, Steam, or the Epic Games Store. So it really just depends on whatever application you already have installed on your computer. If you don't have any of these already installed, then I recommend just using Steam. So what we're going to do is click on the Steam button here, and then you'll need to click on Install Steam in the top right hand side and go ahead and install that to your computer. Once you've downloaded and installed Steam, head over to your start menu, search for Steam, and then click on the Steam icon. Then click on Store from the left hand side, and using the search box, you're just going to type in Marvel Rivals and hit enter. Then you can see the Marvel Rivals at the top, this free game. Click on this. Then just scroll down slightly and click on Add to Library. As you can see, this has now been added to our account. So what we can do is click on Library from the top navigation, scroll down until you see Marvel Rivals, and you need to right click on this and select Install. Then from here, select the drive of where you want to install this game to. I want it downloaded in my C drive, so I have that selected here. And you need to ensure you have at least 47.51 gigabytes of space. So you can see for my drive, I have 127 gigabytes in this drive, so I can click install, agree to the terms and conditions, and then you'll just need to wait for this to get to 100%. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download and install Marvel Rivals to your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.